the channel. This is Sayed this side. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Now the time is 7:10. Let me talk about the handlebar mobile mount. मैं पहले से भी मोबाइल माउंट के खिलाफ हूँ. Lot of vibration on the handlebar and the camera sensor and your board. It will spoil it. When you get a vibration on the motorcycle, it will spoil all the things. And I just wanted a better solution. And I was thinking what to do. And I've got one parcel. Chalo ji unbox karta hai. And I'll just show you about the device and which device I'm going to use and specification of all those things. Device में क्या क्या है, क्या क्या मिलता है, and everything. Let's go unbox.
ATS Electronics Technology Company Limited was established in 2012 and is located in Shenzhen, China. The factory covers an area of approximately 2,463 square meters. It specializes in researching, developing, and manufacturing motorcycle electronic devices, including smart riding systems, smart spotlights, speakers, Bluetooth headsets, and more.
Too excited to open this box. Motorcycle riding system M2S. This is not M2 Pro. This is M2S, a brand new device which Alien Rider has sent me to just unbox and fit on my motorcycle. That's called Habibi. You guys know. 2 Pro I have just installed on Himalayans. 3 शायद मैं फिट कर चुका हूँ एलियन राइडर वाला एंड मल्टीपल ऑफ अदर कंपनीज दूसरी कंपनीज पे जो आ रहा है फिट किया हूँ एलियन राइडर फॉर श्योर आई हैव यूज्ड इट इन वन ऑफ माय कस्टमर्स बाइक द टच स्क्रीन इट्स अमेजिंग दिस इज अ M2S and let me open this box. Wow. Break out your boundaries. Thank you for choosing the product. Thanks note from Alien Rider. Here is a new device and let me check what and all you have. First of all, you have the screen. It's here. And let me rotate this. Acha, it is having a ball mount. I think so. This is for the memory card. And this is the camera. Wow. And I'll just tell you the function about the radar. मैं थोड़ी देर में बताता हूँ. I'll just explain what is radar. And you have 2 cameras and you have front and back TPMS sensors. You have 2 boxes. Again 2 boxes. And 1, 2. So basically this is the brackets for this device. Wow. So many things here. This is your ball mount for your device. This is if you don't want, I think so, yes. This is the mount. If you don't want this ball mount, you can just put it on a mirror. So इसके लिए है your TPMS stays for this. And what you have, okay, great. See here, they have given a toolkit, yaar. Isn't this great? Phillips screwdriver, Allen keys, and a normal screwdriver. And you have, you have a wet pipe. These are 3 screws, 2 screws. Again, I will just unbox this box also. 2S user manual. Acha, you get this. Okay. Acha, this is for the connections. Fine. And what is this? Acha, okay, it's great. It is having a screen guard. I think so. This is a tempered glass. Yeah. Protection for your device. Okay. And this is your wiring loop to connect to your device. And what is this? Acha, this is your handlebar. This fits on grip. Yes. Okay. Acha, this screws for waterproof plugs. Okay, then great. Yeah, they have given a zip tags also. I'll just show you how to fix on the motorcycle. Let's go towards a motorcycle, and I will just show you how to fix. You have complete instruction how to fit this ball mount. See what I found in this box. I just forgot. This is the smallest cover for your device to just put like this. So, this is my bike, and you can see it's a Dominar 400, but the name is called Habibi. Let me fix this device here. What I was having as a normal mount. तो चलो जी fit करते हैं इसको. To fix this, I have to remove this windshield and I have to remove this tank cover. And I'll just show you how to fix this device. And excitement देख रहे हो? Before you fix this device, just open these 3 screws. Gently remove this. And this is for the memory card. सब कुछ करने से पहले memory card डाल लो. उसके बाद you don't have to remove again. Be careful with this tiny screws. Wow, this is a waterproof thing. Yeah, great. High speed card. I'll just show you how to. Yeah, the card is facing towards up screen. So just see this Allen key and see this. Nobody can open this. So the company has made like this. And if you don't have Allen key, you can't open the device or you can't adjust the device. Be careful. इसीलिए ये लोगों ने so they have given the own tool for making it. Don't do this. Thing. If you have a device like this, I just saw now, you can tilt the device. So this is a mount for your radar. It's going to fit here. And before you stick the mount, I'll just tell you the trick. This is my trick. And I use for motor vlogging setups and everything. मैं आपको एक trick दिखाता हूँ. Just open this tape, 3M tape, and just give a little bit heat. These are the simple connections you can see. Green to green, red to red, and yellow to yellow, and blue to blue. For the connections, you can see the arrow here. यहाँ पे एक arrow देख लो. You have to just tuck it in, screw like this. And this will go with your ignition switch wire. Ignition से ignition जो current आ रहा है वो wire पे जाएगी. Okay? Fix like this. Here one wire goes. Let me see. On होगा कि नहीं ये बोलो. जब सैयद भाई ने फिट किया तो ऑन क्यों नहीं होगा? ओके. अच्छा, फाइन. TPMS फेलियर. अच्छा, TPMS नहीं लगाया मैंने. लेट मी चेक विद द DVR. Yes, back camera. Acha, front camera is here. I'm not yet fixed because I have to put the windshield. And back camera. Yeah. Is it clear now? Hello. This is my front camera. What I have installed here. And let me show you my radar and my back camera. This is my radar. This is the correct position. Your camera here. And let me go for a ride. And I have connected to my Android phone, which is my CarPlay, and this is the map, and I can go for the music, and as well as I can just call anybody from my contacts. Okay, and I'll just explain about the radar, how it's going to work, and let's go on a short ride. So good afternoon everyone. I was not getting a time. मेरे पास time नहीं था. I was working in SZ, little bit busy with the schedule, and I just wanted to check this device for 1 week, and after that let me give a review proper. आपको जो है इसमें सब कुछ बता दूंगा. It's 5 inches of screen and it can rotate 360. ये 360 घूम सकता है ये डिवाइस. I can just show you in a minute. कितना ही सही डिवाइस है भाई. See, it has restarted, and now I can just tilt the screen. It will rotate in 360, and you have a quick switches in your grip. You can fit it here, either you can fit it here. इसका एक clamp आता है, you will get one clamp in this. You can just rotate the screen here. You can just see the clarity of the camera. I will just show you the cameras. These cameras are from Sony IMAX 307, and the chipset is from Sony, and they record करता है 1080p. A click of a button, I can just enjoy the music. It's here, you can see TPMS sensor, it's working. ये देखो, मैंने जानबूझ के एक में हवा कम रखी है. I have kept less in front, and back I have kept perfect. Okay, to just know the sensor will recognize or not. तो सेंसर ने recognize किया है. I have kept the PSI, I have kept 33.3 and 29, 26, 24. Okay, according to your specification you can just keep riding. This is very handy. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा दिमाग रख के सोच के बनाया है एलियन राइडर ने. It's very handy. Click of a button you can just take photo. Click of a button you can go to your DVR. Click of a button you can go home. Okay, radar कैसे काम करता है? See, in my left side no vehicles are coming. Right side cars are coming. It's blinking. If somebody comes from behind, see, one two-wheeler is coming from behind, that was close. The radar can detect from approximately 70 to 80 meters before the vehicle. See, you can just check out. If the vehicle is close, it will come red. If the vehicle is little bit far, it will come yellow. So for the radar also, I'll just put the footage. You can watch the footage now. तो radar का भी देख लो आप. footage डालूंगा कैमरे के साथ में, आप देख ही सकते हो. Now I feel like something, I'm riding a big premium motorcycle, and I don't have any tension for the phone, and I can reach my destination very easily. It is very handy. If you can see, battery, it is written 14 watt. You have an indication for your battery. You can just connect with your iPhone. Apple CarPlay चल जाएगा इसमें, and you can connect your Android CarPlay also. So it's good. The device is good, and I'm enjoying my ride. I hope that के आगे वाली जितनी भी rides है, I'll enjoy, because no tension of putting phone, heating का tension नहीं, बार बार charge में लगाने का tension नहीं. The main thing is, if you put the phone on your handlebar mount, first of all you need a good charger or a power bank. And power bank, कितने सारे ride कर चुका हूँ मैं. Power bank कहीं ना कहीं, कभी ना कभी power bank down हो जाता है, then you don't have that charging, then you will lose and you can't reach the destination. Maps are not working and you have to ask people. See, you can just check now. I'll show you the night view. 3 days before it was raining. I'll put that clip also. You just check, it is waterproof. Pressure wash, if you're doing it, you can cover the device. आप एक कोई भी cover लेके cover करके device को you can do it. Will tell now सैयद भाई इसका प्राइस क्या है. देखो M2 Pro का प्राइस मैक्स टू मैक्स इंडिया में इट इज़ 35 to 30 वही 40,000 तो मिनिमम है M2 पर. तो इंपोर्ट होता है ये डिवाइस, चार्जेस तो लगेंगे. ये डिवाइस कोई उठा के लेके जा सकता है क्या? यस, बट दिस डिवाइस इज़ वेरी स्टडी विद द क्लैम्प. ये उतनी आसानी से बाहर नहीं निकलेगा. इट नॉट कम, इट इज़ नॉट सो इजी टू जस्ट पुल इट आउट. तो जब गाड़ी चोरी करके लेके जा सकता है, ये भी चोरी करके लेके जा सकता है. माई होम टाउन बैंगलोर, if I can park, I know the places where I go, I can park the motorcycle there. But if I go to any other state or if I go for a very long ride, अगर रात को गाड़ी खड़ानी पड़ी तो थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हो सकती है. तो वहाँ के लिए I just request Alien Rider R&D team to just, if you guys can, next model, if you can guys make something like a plug and play device. Plug and play device, you can fit the device, wiring and everything, wiring hardness and everything. After fitting the device fit करने के बाद remove the device, keep it in your pocket and keep it in your backpack. You can take the device along with you. That will be very helpful. अगर वैसा हो जाएगा तो समझो मज़ा आ जाएगा भाई. तो आपने यहाँ तक अगर वीडियो देख ही लिया है तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड आई थैंक्स एलियन राइडर. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर सेंडिंग मी दिस डिवाइस एंड आई हैव चेक द डिवाइस. इट्स गुड. इतना ही था भाई. और बहुत तगड़ा हबीबी पे नेक्स्ट मॉडिफिकेशन होने वाला है. आई विल जस्ट चेंज द रैप. IBW is coming. So stay tuned for more videos. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode. Bye bye. See, on the highway it is working properly. Exactly, just telling what is happening behind. It's raining, then I just wanted to check. It's waterproof.